The Peregrine Falcon, a medium-sized raptor with striking blue-gray plumage, black markings and a notable mustache below the eyes, is renowned for its remarkable speed and hunting prowess. With an impressive wingspan of 1 to 1.1 meters and a length of 38 to 50 centimeters, it's considered the fastest animal on Earth, reaching speeds of up to 240 miles per hour, while executing precise mid-air strikes known as stoops to capture prey found on every continent except Antarctica. Peregrine falcons primarily hunt birds like pigeons, doves, and songbirds. They engage in captivating courtship, displays involving aerial acrobatics, vocalizations, and gift sharing. Nesting on cliffs, ledges, or man-made structures, they typically lay 2 to 4 eggs, with both male and female taking turns incubating and caring for their young chicks.